The Miami Heat, owners of a 5-game win streak, travel to Hollywood to take on the Lakers on Christmas Day. Of course, you know Kobe out missing this one. He's got that knee fracture. Watching this man, LeBron James, dish to Dwayne Wade, back up to LeBron, who brings that one home on the alley-oop. He had 10 points in the first quarter. None more spectacular than this one right here. Heat up 17-16 after that. Later first, Mario Chalmers loses the ball. This is Xavier Henry. And give these Lakers credit. They played tough all afternoon long. Hoop and harm there. The Lakers on an 11-0 run. They go up 24-17 after the made free throw. Norris Cole finds Dwayne Wade on the break for the layup. Here, the Lakers lead down to 1. Dwayne Wade 11 of 17 from the field. Later, Chalmers delivering a nice pass to Chris Bosh, who showed up big in this game. He had 13 points in the second quarter. 44-39 the count for Bosh and the Heat. Wesley Johnson misses the three. Heat on the break. Dwayne Wade, again, watch it. He sees LeBron, and LeBron goes and gets it with the left hand. You got to see this one a few more times. LeBron, 7 of 14 on the day. That one off the backboard. Again, off the backboard. LeBron brings it in left-handed, and the Heat up by 5 at the half. 51-46. They led it by 9 after that bucket. 48-39, and into the second half we go. And look who's hanging out at the game. That's LeBron's kids in Hollywood for Christmas Day. Third quarter, Lakers in transition. Pau Gasol misses, but look who's hanging around. Well, the Lakers, but it doesn't work, so we go the other way, and Dwayne Wade over to LeBron James, and he throws it down. 19 points, 8 rebounds, and LeBron just hanging on the rim after the jam there. Later third quarter, Nick Young pulls up for the three, draws the foul. His third 4-point play of the season. Wade now driving to the hoop. Can't get this one to go. There's Chris Bosh again. A big double-double for Bosh. 23 points, 11 rebounds. Now fourth quarter, Xavier Henry driving to the basket, lays it in. The Lakers in the fourth quarter without Kobe, up by a pair. Henry, 14 points off the bench. Norris Cole, big three-pointer, puts the Heat up now by 5. 88-83, then LeBron James, less than 6 to go, driving to the rack on Ryan Kelly, and that's a mismatch if I ever saw one. LeBron, hoop and harm, 90-83. The Heat go up, then it's LeBron to the hoop, finds a cutting D. Wade, who hangs in the air and does the reverse lay-in as the Heat go to Hollywood and win it by 6. Your final score, 101-95.